Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we can give tips and tricks in just a minute. I hope you will enjoy watching. So hello guys, I'm back again. And for today's video, I will show you how to change fan speed on Nvidia graphic card. So the first thing that we do is search Nvidia MSI Afterburner. So as you can see in the first option, Afterburner MSI, we should tap it. As soon as you open it up, that will gonna take you here. So MSI Afterburner is basically an overclocking software through which you guys can modify all your graphic card. So as we continue, let's tap on download Afterburner. Then the next one is download it. Then that will gonna take you here. So once it is downloaded in your computer, you just simply open the applications on your computer. So let's just wait for a while because it is installing. So after this, it will gonna take us to the MSI screen. So you will modify everything. So in here you can change the power limit, and at the lower part you can change the fan speed here. So I think that is how we change fan speed on Nvidia graphics card. And that's it. I hope it helps you today. Please like and subscribe for more content. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you will notified whenever we post new video. We'll see you next time.